Site counts can be created in seconds using VendorPlan. This is where the ticket intake process starts for any delivery that has come through VendorPlan. There are two common ticket scenarios we'll cover in this video. Scenario A, the field team marked up the paper tickets with their own counts. Scenario B, a clean ticket with no markups. The field team will enter their counts manually in the platform. The AI handles both, but the results look different. Let's scan our first tickets. The field team wrote their actual counts directly on this ticket. For example, the ticket says 125, but the field wrote 114 next to it. Watch what the AI does with that. The AI captured both automatically and placed them in the appropriate columns. The reported column represents what the vendor ticket states, and the actual column represents what the AI read from the markups. When a ticket finishes processing, you'll have a chance to correct information in these fields. You can also label equipment as rental, purchased, or its origin as unknown. Here's another ticket with no markups. When a ticket has no markups, the field team will need to click the plus button next to each line item to reflect what was physically verified on site. Clicking the plus button fills each field to its assumed value. Then you can adjust accordingly to your count. If everything matches, then this is all you do. Go down the rows, then close out of this menu and move on. Discrepancies occur when the reported quantity and actual quantity columns for a row don't match. Affected rows will be highlighted red and left unconfirmed. These are the records that matter at the end of the job. Whether the discrepancy came from an AI-read field markup or a manual entry, it is captured the same way. One click. No email to draft, no call to make. The vendor has a written record and so does the project team. The vendor is emailed a record of discrepancies, so the ball is put in their court. Whether the field marked up the ticket on site or the team enters counts manually after the fact, every delivery builds the same auditable record. Every ticket the team has processed is here, hyperlinked and permanently accessible. This is the documentation that ends he said, she said disputes at closeout. If needed, you can bulk upload tickets in this menu. This also works for return tickets. Tickets that need to be reviewed will be highlighted in yellow. Any delivery tickets you upload are added to the on-site ledger. By the end of the project, there's nothing to reconstruct and nothing to dispute without documentation.